Today, we're making one of the most comforting dishes from Cameroon, potato porridge and some fresh fish, or what we call back home, Poisson Sauté aux Pommes de Terre. If you've never had potatoes cooked like this before, then trust me, you're about to fall in love. Okay, today we're using some potatoes, Irish potatoes here. Then we do have some tomatoes, some onions, some bell peppers of your choice, some green beans, some carrots, some green onions, some parsley, and of course, we have our fish here. Take a look at this. We have a fish here. It was already washed and marinated last night, so it's well spiced and ready to go. Then we have some canola oil. Feel free to use any vegetable oils of your choice. Then we have some ginger, some garlic, some crayfish for that smoky flavor, some thyme and some bay leaves, some habanero pepper for the kick. We have some Maggi crevette and some nor, salt to taste, ground black pepper, ground white pepper, chicken broth mix, and just some dried herbs here like rosemary, thyme, mix of dried herbs. Okay, the measurement of these ingredients depends on the quantity of the potatoes you have available with you. First, I'm going to go ahead and start with deep frying my fish here, and while the fish is frying, I'll go ahead and wash and prepare all of my vegetables here. Then I'll peel my potatoes, and then we'll meet in the next part. If you're new to this channel, hello, welcome here. My name is Rabia, and this is Rabia Unfolded, where we create delicious, cozy recipes that you can easily recreate at your home without any issues. If this sounds like your kind of space, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell button so you don't miss any of the cozy recipes that we share here every week. And to my returning subscribers, hello, I see you, okay? Kisses to you all. Now, let's dive in. Okay, are all this nice and hot there? Let's go ahead and deep fry our fish. I always like to add in some onions for that flavor. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add in some oil into my pot. Now that my oil is nice and hot, I'll go ahead and saute my onions until nice and fragrant. I'm gonna add in my blended ginger, garlic, and parsley. Add in my thyme and my bay leaves. And then I'll add in my already sliced tomatoes and my habanero pepper. And then I'll cover my pot and let it steam for another 5 minutes. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. I'll add in my green onions, my crayfish, some black pepper, some white pepper, some salt, some chicken broth mix, some Maggi seasonings, and then some dried herbs. Give everything a good mix. The smell, guys. Oh, it smells amazing. And now look at this. My potatoes already peeled, washed, and good to go. I'm gonna pour them in a pot. I'll give everything a good mix. So I'm gonna add in some water. Mix everything again nicely. And then I'll cover my pot. I'll now let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, let's check and see how our pot is doing here. Ooh la la, look at that. It's been sitting for a bit. It's almost ready. So what we're gonna do now is to add the remaining vegetables. Adding in my green beans, my carrots, my green bell pepper, my red bell pepper, and some parsley. And then of course, I'm gonna add in my deep fried fresh fish. Okay, let's give everything a good mix here. Now I'm gonna cover my Poisson Sauté aux Pommes de Terre, and then I'll let it sit for another 5 minutes and it will be good to serve. And there we have it. Cameroonian potato porridge with fresh fish, or as we call it back home, Poisson Sauté aux Pommes de Terre. I hope you enjoyed cooking this with me as much as I enjoyed sharing. If you try this at home, let me know in the comment section how it turned out. I'd very much love to hear from you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next comforting video from my kitchen. And if you love this video, check out my other recipes. I promise you, there's more homestyle goodness coming your way. Thanks so much for cooking with me, and I'll see you in the next episode of Rabia Unfolded. Cheers.